Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So another very, very windy day out here in Wyoming. Before I jump into the focus of today's video, I'd like to offer up just a real quick apology. I have not been uploading too many videos lately. Really, this last few weeks I've been doing such a poor job really checking in on YouTube and uploading videos. And really that's because I've been learning this real estate thing. So I got a couple houses under contract out here, one under contract with one probably this weekend. So it's been going good, but I've been trying to learn that. So that's been taking a lot of my attention in addition to getting my feet wet in the Air National Guard out here. So forgive me for not uploading much lately. Let's talk about the video, okay? So I'm gonna walk through the 10 worst states to try to buy a brand new TRD Pro from. So as I go through this list, just keep in mind that it is no kidding based off the data that I've collected. I have an Excel spreadsheet with 540 something different dealerships that I've called, and I annotate which dealerships are charging markups, how much their markup is, what the nuances are. Sometimes a dealership will sell at MSRP to local buyers, but they'll also charge $5,000 or $10,000 markup to out-of-state buyers, which I kind of respect that, if I'm being honest with you guys. Keeping it local rather than letting everybody in California swoop in and buy them all up, right? Because they can't get them at a good deal in their state. So I kind of respect that. So 540 something is what my Excel spreadsheet is up to at this point. And this top 10 list is based off of my data collection so far. So as I go through these states, and if you're from the state, I don't want you to get bent out of shape, because of course there's always going to be that one or two dealerships in every state that are going to be great. One or two at very least are going to be the ones that charge MSRP. It's just a matter of finding them, of course, and then are you willing to be on their wait list for 20 years to actually get it, right? So that's another part of the equation. But based off my experience, here's the 10. Number 10, Virginia. Number 9 was New York. Number 8 was Nevada. Number 7, Arizona. Number 6, New Hampshire. Number 5, this one surprised me, Texas. And this one surprised me even more. Number 4 was Idaho. And number 3 is Florida. Number 2, Washington. And number 1 was California. And California by a long shot, unfortunately. So nearly every dealership I call in California was wanting at least $10,000 market adjustment on their TRD Pros. And that's assuming you can even get one. Even those they're flying off the shelf out there, and it's just a shame, unfortunately. So there's your top 10 worst list based off my data collection. I do have a top 10 best states as well that I'll be sharing with you here in the next couple of days, and I'll walk through those details. And I'm happy to give you even more details, more insight into the quote-unquote analytics here that I'm collecting, letting you know which dealerships have been the best that I've worked with historically. So I can maybe even provide that top 20 or top 25 list nationwide dealerships that I've worked with who are charging MSRP and who appear to be extremely honest, down-to-earth dealerships that actually value the customer still and actually value returning customers, and you're not just another number to them, another brick in the wall. So I have that list that I'll provide you guys as well based on my experience, hoping that you guys can reach out to them and get yourself your own good deal. So there you have it. Let me know what your thoughts are on that top 10 list. Of course, California wasn't a shock, probably isn't a shock to a lot of you guys. Washington State, again, being on the West Coast, it's just being near Seattle. There's a lot of money out there, and dealerships know that, right? Wherever there's a lot of money, the dealerships in the area, they know it, and they like to take advantage of it for sure. So then Florida, number 3, I knew it was going to be in the top 5. I maybe didn't think it was going to be my third one here, but Idaho. You guys tell me, if you're from Idaho, what is going on? Even yesterday, I called a dozen dealerships out there. Not quite that many. I think it was like 8 dealerships I called yesterday even. All of them were so quick to tout their markups and be proud of their markups, which I found disgusting. So in Idaho, of all places, I just would have never thought that, right? So anyways, there you go. Top 10 list. Let me know what state you're from and if you've had good luck. I'd appreciate seeing that in the comments. Let me know what your thoughts are. Until next time.